Do you want to have a powerful presence? Do you want to be seen as someone who is wise and respected? Then remember Law 4, always say less than necessary.
Hey man, say less.
Silence is not weakness, it is a strength. When you speak less, you appear more powerful. Powerful people impress and intimidate by saying less. They know that the more they say, the higher the chance they have of looking like a fool. Louis XIV, a very powerful man, would always have his courtiers tremble in fear when delivering bad news. He would always say, "I shall see," and follow it with intimidating silence. His silence was one of the foundations of his power. Although you might not be a king, you can still use silence to appear more powerful.
Power, power, power!
Silence also gives you the opportunity to learn to read people. If you are often silent, you will often be listening and observing others. You can spot liars and see through people's true intentions because they might slip up trying to fill the silence. The power to read someone is a powerful skill you can learn by being silent. The information you can get from reading someone is powerful, and you can use it to make someone more or less uncomfortable depending on your intentions. Silence also helps with self-control. Sometimes, your superiors might mistreat you, and you want to lash out in the moment. Serving your ego only takes you further away from the things you want in life. Hold your tongue, calm down, and then respectfully hold your ground. Make sure you have a strategic response rather than just vent your emotions. Furthermore, being a great listener is an important quality that people value. By being silent and listening, you will make the other person feel good as they are speaking. People want to be heard and understood. If you are comfortable talking less and listening more, you will appear more charismatic. Silence is also a great negotiation tool. In negotiations, both parties want something from the other. Long drawn-out pauses are awkward and uncomfortable for both parties. If you can be comfortable with the silence, you will have the upper hand in negotiating. It is human nature to fill the void of silence so the other side will get nervous and can cave into what you want. You can also use the silence to plan out what you want to say next. So, are you someone who talks a lot or someone who is more silent? Remember, silence is a tool that can help you become more powerful, self-controlled, and charismatic. Use it wisely and watch how it can benefit you in all aspects of life.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Silence!
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and resources that can help you take your success to the next level. So don't wait. Click that subscribe button now and start your journey towards success today.